Okay, this is after we toggle the pin input settings in security. So we're gonna enter the pin. The default pin is 0000. Wait a minute. I press this long. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's the speed will increase because I simulate it to increase, and this is in the racing mode. I will start timer. Okay, so the timer will stop and after the distance is finished. I mean, distance is made the threshold that the display display on. Okay, as you may see, it's already finished and it will stop, and then when I reset it, it will become 0. And also we have some setting to do. Regeneration, I set it into 80 and regen on. If I set it to off and I go to the previous page and I re-enter it, it will be off again. It will be saved. The value will be saved on the display on the setting. And this is back and gyro. We can toggle it everything, and we can toggle it like this, and then we will be back in that page again, and it will set like this as it is before. Okay, as you may see, I enter the view side. We can configure it until one decimal point, so we can increase it like this and it will save. Okay, wait a minute, I have to press it at the same spot. Okay, so now we have everything. We have updated the trip and odor. I will reset the trip. Okay, it will be 0, but odor will be the same. And also we have everything, even gyro. We can display even RPM, and also we can change to smart mode. Okay, the wattage gauge is down here, so we can see what wattage is in like now, but I still don't have the real wattage display because it haven't attached to the real vehicle. Okay,